What the hell? I just dropped my lure in the water and something just came and whacked it. Oh look, I caught a papillo. I just put the lure in the water, just relaxing, and a young trevally papillo just whacked the shit out of it. Look at that. Holy mackerel. Shows that Art's lures work pretty damn good. See, I just dropped it. I literally just dropped it. Okay. Look at, and he pinched the barbs in. That's why they come off so easy. Alright. Okay, we're gonna let this guy go, but that was kind of neat. There you go. I just literally dropped it in the water. Like that. I'm just looking out, and then all of a sudden something was boom. Wow, Art, your stuff works.